Yao. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Therefore, yeah. Me no can say story be trendy. Come here say do na Boston boy chi. Say Stonebwoy selfish. Just say some more can go Stonebwoy so me therefore videos ni bi okra wo hwa wo twene ho a won te ase. Enye nanu ya. Ana na Ghana nyina Stonebwoy abaso. Eye den. Ewom say amanfo obo abo achi. But me no matrasi din read the diplomatic condition of the story. Me who say no story no question marks be brave wo ho. And nti come here and say even asem na ye nua ba ne de ba ye no entwa yi. E was say oba abonten na obe Stonebwoy achew. Yeah.
I recently did a video about Molly Shake It to the Max doing amazingly well. Molly is Ghanaian. She's done an incredibly beautiful banging song, which is making the waves, right? For Ghana and for the Caribbean. I thought to myself that there are multiple remixes to that song. It would be nice for there to be a Ghanaian version. This particular statement sparked the attention of the producers. Producers mentioned that they had not been contacted by any Ghanaian artist to jump on the track. He further went on to ask who I thought would be a good fit for the remix. So I suggested Shatta Wale. I guess that suggestion did not sit well with a couple of people. Stonebwoy has unfollowed me. Stonebwoy's creative director is in my DMs trying to school me. I'm starting to see the narrative that is surrounding Stonebwoy, your creative director, in my DMs, trying to tell me how to run my creative space, insinuating certain things, extremely hypocritical. I'm not going to be on anybody's agenda. I am simply going to push the narrative that Ghanaians need to make good music, Ghanaians need to perform better, Ghanaians need to ensure that they seize opportunities, celebrate hard work, applaud directly and genuinely. That is what I am going to do. But we are also going to call a spade a spade. The agenda that I have for the Ghana music industry is not a negative one. I strive for impact, a change in the industry. And this was an opportunity to prove that. In my caption, I made a poll, mentioned a couple of dancehall artists' names. This was typically an opportunity to spark a conversation. And it did. Shatta Wale has a few things lined up. He's making waves in Jamaica. He's also coming to London to have a show. I just simply thought it would be a perfect way to leverage off that. Strategic plans to be able to propel him as Shatta Wale and also make another win for Ghana. It's not because I'm picking sides. It is simply because my content and I have a choice. The Caribbeans have a remix culture. It's a compliment to them. What I got out of that message sent to me by Stonebwoy's creative director is that I should compromise truth, compromise reality, sugarcoat it, massage egos, and not tell it as it is. If it doesn't go their way, they immediately feel offended or feel attacked. What we're not going to do is stop speaking the truth. If it doesn't sit well with you, that is not my problem. Respectfully.
Yeah. Therefore, me questions are me bisa Ohemaa Asante nie. First of all, mame, den and a Stonebwoy, any team. Ebi omopuno ema Ohemaa Asante. Come here and say now no. Omusa two omupunu and I say omuyi na free mukra. And penifo say asema any dance no. You twa ho bi and ye dey dance here. And some are making enye me na make. Ohemaa Asante na nu masem. Because Ohemaa patch say now no Stonebwoy are unfollow no say Stonebwoy are blocking. It which means bibia koswa anye omo de ana mpanimfo nso se utie owo dia na watie enkwan so de. Now Ohemaa Asante enu masem nkwan na wa bonten. Ye nyanti bibia from the camp of Stonebwoy eye official. Mame, je na wo ye omo bi omo puno ma. Je na Stonebwoy ehu no wo mu a Stonebwoy ye na agene say obabie ne puno ma na wa join omo na munyina wo de wo hu woni mu no. What do you want so the abeka ho ama mapema komonim because Stonebwoy omieni ponokwa enye Stonebwoy nkwampo e come here and say entertainers ni nyina no ansa no bi ebe accept o obe follow back ono obe chat like ono obe compempenso bi no no hu se wo bibi wo mu a eye so special sabi onso betimi dia support ne craft no maybe ono so de ne dia eden account de ho Ohemaa Me de dem pesa me catch on say Ghana on. Yen say obi. Yen say obi. Yen tanshi obi din. Yen me kan asem bi negative and for obi home. Na Ghana for nsum. Hey yo, yenim yesing obi a owiase. Baby free no. Saa de no, ye number 1. Eno na edi twa e fruma. See ye dwi ade agu fam. Ye best. Eno nti se o ba abonten abeka asem bi a ebenya negative impact ewo brand bi so a mame empempeso na o kono ene agro na opese odi no ye ono ma bi wo ho a just o memene me kind of crash yo no ma bi bro a just o memene empempi no eya na ye kasa abochefo nkwala na abochefo masa no kuro hom ni se aboche ni ekroma na nyina ete ha na nyina be wo ye ma no kuro wa ha ni se even ekro no kura mu no enyoma bebre wo ha o mo memene upe kura o mo yakataso mo muaso a abochefo e number 1 abochefo ankasa nkwala ni hia omu ye kataso mo muaso omu be hia yen a abochefo nkwala ni be hia sabi dodo na omu free Ghana abeta aboche na no mpese omu trese ase omu kano kre na ase omu obi a watan aboche ache bia be di madanse omu mu na abochefo na mu no obi no ye kataso mo muaso sensa nkwada no ba omu ba Ghana fo ma na so omu ka bibia afa obi o free Ghana ho a omu pese omu ma wiase nyina hu se ase omu kano kre ase omu de midofo me kano kra chone sa ne tie Ohemaa usi unya opportunity a na also choose one artist na one Ghana ni Jamaica ni bia de nyoma blow eye nyom meboa ana uchusi Shatta Wale because calculate enyoma no na Shatta Wale mom na o de sa link up ne mana ebeboa enyoma oye currently uye survey nyina ma e kama se dodo na choose Shatta Wale nyame nshira se odwene Shatta Wale ho ba ma mintu fo kakra ade no eba ye no sabi ebi a wo na besi wo so because according to wo wanu masem no o pa che say even omu team no kra say omu nya bibia enfree Ghana for ho enti wo na sabi opportunity ni besi wo so enti opportunity ni besi wo so no e wo so hu say se wo the opportunity no ebe ma nipa ba ko a se be ye be look very professional no e wo so ka wanu tum enti okọ Bible mu kra na Bible says se wo ye papa onsa ni fa ye papa e ma bonkum ni hu ana se onsa bonkum so ye papa e ma ni fa ni hu Bible nyansa nko a sabi opportunity ni ba na aka wonu tum ana fresh Shatta ana ode ma na din makama no atu ma ye adwuma ne kama adwuma na ba bonten okakra benya ye de ama obi a ye happy Wale na amrepam no obeba bonten be bodin say oh sa ebi a his song we kra menya collab no Ghana ni akoda bi e fe no Ohemaa or UK ana yes link up ne ma me ebi so a another time when you different opportunity what be my Stonebwoy and also back on what to what be my sakode what be my manifest can promise obia after na wo share agro say and it is me to me no me who say as an opportunity na nya no na foforo na efoforo ye no maybe o ha wo ya eni so mo obia hu o ka say enam nipa so na Shatta Wale eni Beyonce ye no o te ho asem da kopem sa nyum ne ba bonte no o te ho asem da o te se nipa na o de sa link up ne ma Shatta Wale no aba bonte se obi a block dey happy mame adigo ho a eba mama ye nsua bibi film na se be ya ade no because life no da bi e be repeat ne ho mame take this opportunity o a control mo amanone na bia wanya link up bi na artist kese bia be si so opeso ne Ghana ni bi ye ma kama no tum na choose dia wo kra pe wa koma pe ni a wa wo hwa wo de ne co project ne so a ebe en munyama ma Ghana na ka wa no tum Ohemaa let me be frank with you Stonebwoy omiem kra o Ghana entertainers no ombadru brocha aso ye more friendly omo Ghana anya sanete o anya agro na medi ebia wo akwantom nti ana Stonebwoy ni team bie omo proma o easily Ebia enka Ghana na wote a. Eya. 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 Enu ti se Stonebwoy se wa block you na se wa unfollow wa. Eye nyoma bi a sabi Stonebwoy ehu wo mu. Eye nsem bi a mo kan ye. Eye ohun. Ensem bi a wo ka che Stonebwoy a Stonebwoy nya believe man say yo. Ohemaa is the next ish. Mumay ntweme no. Won tell say mumay boil it. Because obi ni wa currently ono obi be di agra opportunity bi ba na ono wote ho nipa na osi open asem no nipa na wa bie ni prama no wa amfa ama no no de come different camp be ni there ade bi wa let's be real. Let's be real. Let's be real. Odi ma Shatta no wa ya ade nyame nhyira. Wa dwene Ghana ho. Wo eye papa na wo ye but also hu na akwan. If you say bibia wo na akwan a ye fa so ye na edane animunyam e ma ne me ye no me. Odi ma Shatta no if you say nyina ani age say wo the opportunity na ma Shatta na mom no say ka wo kan wa no tuma ana wo ma ade ne ye very professional. Enka Stonebwoy ne ni team krante no na project na ba bonte ba ni nyuma nyina awie. Ebi kura Stonebwoy inte no when a different life bi nso dia ma Stonebwoy when a different life bi dia ma sa akode oh sa na ye di agro no nye social media so nko nye kasa bebrew. There are so many things a cookie under gia obi anim. There are so many things a sabi Ghana for ye wa kontum ya ma ye dia support Ghana entertainment industry. Me do ye bie ano kasa sa nyoma we kura no sabi ye nam asomasi so na ba Ghana oyembe so. But sa no mani nyina no bia kana no atum. Obia kana no atum say e bia right time ne ba. No pia bonten. But Ohemaa ekwa say de obehu bia be kan say de sitie no de obo bia bibi sa bia ni wiase. I mean kind of cruncho. Bibi sa bia ni wiase. Bibi sa bia ni wiase. De obehu no bibi sa bia memo obia no obetuma yiso abroche de ehunu obia bibi sa bia ni wiase. Asem bia no ye wo kwan a ye fa so kan wo ho. Asem bia ye wo kwan a ye fa so kan no. Situation bia ne kwan a ye fa so handle no. Oko Bible mo, uko Quran mo, uko ba bia na esum bia mo be kira. Even school kra o kwa, o ye marketing, o ye advertising, course bia be bia no. Ye be kira kwan a ye fa so communicate situation bia at any given time. And yes, me hu pre maka me hu mi hu we makoka we ma ye say ana me peni say bibi sa bia ni wiase mame. Bibi sa Ghana de Ohemaa fa to trim say ye nsay nipa no eye aduane a ye di. Enti da bia so baba be kan asema tarnish the image of Ghana entertainers na Ghana fo nyina be do because ye nsay nyoma no ye aduane a ye di no. Oh be kan asem we on say o mu say amanfo say bash Stonebwoy because obi ani say Stonebwoy nye nipa papa. But enye sa ne tie. Enye sa ne tie. Eye epru bia Stonebwoy ebie ma ho. Eye nsem bia wo kan ye eye oni ye bia wo ye ya Stonebwoy who say yo action speaks louder than words. Inti bia why your actions bia ma Stonebwoy who say yo akoda we ya de ne ben ya obetuma support dream no. And unti no say glitch bia ba na Stonebwoy e feel comfortable a wa twe ne ho a de wo wa kan da o suro sonsono. Nia wo wa kan da no ohu sonsono no odwane. Empempen so a Stonebwoy adru no okoba bi na on feel comfortable a obe free ho because so obetima via kakra dru mpempen so na Stonebwoy adru no as a Ghanaian from baby to say Ashaima. Eh yaw. Enye joke. Hey. Now obetimi de Shatta Wale ni Stonebwoy akọ page so say amanfo me voting choose dio onkoye nyoma na ase de. Ana de deserve so koye nyom. Ah, mami. Na agro we this one ase de. Ya say yaw sa Yes, sir. Who the Stonebwoy? Who the Stonebwoy? The Shatta Wale GhPage. You push. Some man phone voting choose the yeah money chance no uncle enyo. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Ohemaa a below belt. Man, me cannot crash. A below belt. I say. Me my show videos. Me tie wanu masem. Me who energy. O agimpa. O bibi. O pese ye free. Baby ye word. O pese ye free adumu ko adumu. But the person me catch on say Ghana entertainment space na wo no. Ujra bontia say the city no. Urema anya sanete. Akoye se kwaye no. Eti se kwaye u echira ebom. Obeka so nya baby kwa amfa na nsi. Ba urema edua bia wo ni sibre. Ohemaa Ghana entertainment industry no sanete. Me kan okra wani je ho a nyamre ne sia ade na nkasa ye ti agona se ankasa ma show videos bebre o kasa ensem na o kan no o ya ade eye no ma bia wa hu a wo benya anke besesa but enye rumors not built in the day enye so easy said the whole canon no edene pa investing in creative arts no enye joke mame say you can out so why you adwuma the whole year no nya be 40,000. Now the 40,000 in you eco run logistics mu and also the co run event bi mu and also the co run artist bi mu enye joke o ya ba ku mienu yensa bi na amfa one hwe ya o entertainment but you onkrofo a o ma sacrifice 20 30 40 years obapa nyame ya adom na next time no unya opportunity bia na kawanu tu acting very professional my book any pen and any agro ebi a yente se una ye link up ne kra no na chese enyum na se project na ba abonte be di ne dwuma nyina awie in create unnecessary enemies ema ho e Ghana entertainment industry nim enye sa mistake no na hwe ya no hu sa channel we biem eno nti mesrew se obe subscribe to the Bonah show sebe ya abribi ebe update no also ubenya notification na wahunya eko biemu so se wa America o state bi to say Washington DC, Maryland, Virginia. Now opese door to door service eba ofie be box on yoma e de call Ghana some dwebu mawa ani diem Box Oak Logistics. Omo be di dwuma na ma kama. Ofre Box Oak akatro mu say enam the Bonah show so ena ohu mo emprempre na omo be chaw 10% discount. Biemu nso se ufri abrochire eko Ghana na udru Ghana obeku Kumase na udru Kumase obepe baabi akoda dako nanu nansa na wotwe bosome ba ku mienu miensa wonso odia ne picashproperties.com www.picashproperties.com ofre Picasha omoso katche omo se enam the Bonah show so ena ohu omo so omo be chaw 10% discount.